Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a vegetarian recipe for you all. This one is going to be a one-pot lunch or dinner that your family and your kids are going to love. And there are tons of hidden vegetables in there. So let's get started. So in my large skillet, you'll need a really large skillet and something that can go into your oven. I'm adding in my oil. In goes chopped onions and chopped pimento peppers and chopped scallions. We want these aromatics to sweat and become tender, and I'm adding in some salt to help bring out the flavors in those aromatics. So let that saute until it's tender and light brown. And of course guys, if you wanted to add some mincemeat to this recipe, you can, feel free to. In goes chopped bell peppers. I'm using the baby bell peppers, they're a lot more sweeter. Grated carrots. Give that a mix. Allow that to cook out for about 1 minute. And then we're going to go in with chopped eggplant. Now I left the skin on the eggplant. If you wanted to remove the skin, you can. It's totally optional. And we're hiding so many veggies in this recipe, the kids are not going to know. In goes chopped mushrooms. I'm using baby portobello. You can use button mushrooms if you can't find the baby portobello. And I choose to put the mushrooms in last because we want to maintain the mushroom itself. You don't want it to get too soft. Now this is the main ingredient. The garlic and herb seasoning is going to give this that flavor that we need. It's going to taste like an Italian one-pot pasta dish. Now if you wanted to add a cup of tomato sauce or marinara to this, feel free to, but today I chose to omit it. The last thing we're going to go in is with some chopped spinach, or you can use bhagi, and then goes in your al dente pasta. I'm using Ziti here. You can use bota, you can use penne, use whatever you like. And all you have to do is give this a good mix. And then we're going to add in Colby cheese. I like using the Colby cheese. If you wanted, you can use New Zealand cheddar cheese. And I'm also going to go in with some Parmesan cheese. So put as much cheese as you want. I went not too heavy on the cheese. So if you want it cheesier, by all means add more. And you want to mix that properly. And then once it's mixed in, you're going to top it off with some more cheese, some more Colby or New Zealand, and also some parm. And we're going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And once it's brown and bubbly, it's time to eat. You want to enjoy this while it's hot. When it comes out of your oven, it's the best time to enjoy it. That cheese is ooey gooey and so delicious. So guys, how easy and simple was this? A perfect meal for you this fasting season. If you guys try this recipe, comment down below, let me know what you think. Remember, you can add mincemeat to it if you wanted to, and even marinara. Thank you all so much for joining me in the kitchen today. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.